Modern AI often relies on supervised learning with labeled datasets to achieve satisfying results. However, collecting and labeling large amounts of data can be expensive, time-consuming, and sometimes simply impractical. Self-supervised learning addresses this challenge by leveraging abundant, unlabeled data and creating its own labels internally. This approach not only reduces the burden of manual labeling, but also often results in more robust models. What is self-supervised learning? Self-supervised learning is widely used on text data to train the large language models behind technologies like chatbots. Unlike traditional methods that depend on human-labeled examples, self-supervised learning uses the data itself to generate labels. For example, we can remove certain words from a sentence and ask the model to guess the missing words, or task it with predicting the next word in the sentence. By solving these tasks, the model learns language patterns and context without needing human annotation, enabling it to train on massive amounts of unlabeled text. Once the language model is trained, it gains a deep understanding of human language structure, context, and meaning. This foundational capability allows the model to perform various downstream tasks, such as text classification, document summarization, and sentiment analysis. These abilities are possible thanks to self-supervised learning. They provide a broad, generalized understanding that can be adapted to many real-world applications with minimal additional labeled data. Relevant products. One of the most popular examples is the GPT series from OpenAI, which trains on large amount of text to produce coherent, context-aware responses for applications ranging from chatbots to content generation. Another famous model is BERT, developed by Google, which has transformed how search engines interpret user queries by learning subtle language patterns. Conclusion. In summary, self-supervised learning is transforming AI by enabling models to learn from vast amounts of unlabeled data, cutting costs and improving performance along the way. With groundbreaking products like GPT and BERT leading the charge, this approach is paving the path towards smarter and more intuitive language understanding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tech insights. Drop your questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.